Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Buhle, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. I feel good today. Today's a Monday. It is the 26th of February, and it is currently 33 minutes past 7, and I have an 8 o'clock class, so I'm on my way there. I had to drop my brother off first, and then wait guys, let me turn like a jig. My skin looks so good for a person that puts makeup on a Sunday. My skin looks so good. By the time I also need a petrol station because my petrol is low, but I'm just trying to get to the, I think I should flip you guys over. I was saying, guys, direction of the sun. And there's nothing I can do. I was saying that I need a petrol station because my petrol is low, and but I'm just trying to get to the Joburg side first. It's not that low, but I do need to fill my petrol. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I get to campus or something like that. Okay. Okay guys, I'm leaving campus now. Yo, this thing of me talking to you guys while I'm staring the steering wheel, it's toxic for our relationship. But I'm exiting campus now. Thank you, bye. So I'm exiting campus. I'm from from the library. I came down. I went to go buy shawarmas, yeah, because my special somebody wanted some food, so I'm heading to him right now. Oh, Gyashisa guys, Gyashisa, but it was raining just now, literally. You know, Joburg weather, something is not make sure. But I'm driving now, so I'll catch you guys. I don't know if I'll record when we're eating or I don't know, because we wanna do some Bible reading and whatnot together, so yeah, but we'll be doing this in the car, obviously. Duh. Why am I saying that? Ew. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys when that is happening. Okay. Ngibaxoxamela like but uyazifanela nje.
I thought you were baking at one point, yeah.
And you know when you make a fish, how do you make fish?
Honestly, put spice on it.
Fish fry.
Yeah, fried it like medium thingy. Comes out perfect. So you gonna deep fry it or like what was the level there?
No, not deep frying. Deep frying it properly. It's just that the egg and the flour gives it that nice crust. So, yeah. When this rain gets in here,
What happens?
no, it creates stains. Way.
Oh.
That's like, no.
Wait, which book were you talking about, Valerie? Me, I even forgot.
Truth, you haven't even read one book that I've sent you.
No, I read the one of there's one that was short. I read it, it was nice. Which one was it? Let me see.
Why Skull Believe? Why am I not
No, I
reading
think there's the one with 7 or what, and then the A to Z or whatnot.
The A to Z one is short.
But I didn't finish it. For which of you intending to build a tower sitteth not down first and counteth the cost whether he had sufficient to finish it, lest haply after he has laid the foundation and is not able to finish it, all that behold him begin to mock him, saying, this man began to build and was not able to finish. Okay. It's basically like people getting to marriage and like don't finish. Right, I read divorce. What it says? There was Luke 14, verse 28 to 30. I'm eating, so. Says today divorces, broken homes, extramarital affairs, couples living together and pretending to be happy are the order of the day. Some of us don't even have to look beyond our own homes to see this situation. It is indeed said that most of the marriages we see around us are just a shadow of what marriage was intended to be. Some of us even have our parents' marriage as an example of the story that state marriage are in today. This is the major reason we must prepare ourselves adequately before getting involved in relationships and marriage.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was supposed to say welcome back to another clip. Today is a Tuesday. My lips are dry. I didn't put on lip stuff. I can tell. Yeah, today is a Tuesday. I am actually going to the doctor because generally the skin thing, like my arms, and here by my chest, these things are just like spreading around. So I have like, it's like ringworms. So I don't know where I got them from. I don't know if it's probably someone that I hugged, or I don't know. But yeah, they just spreading all over my body. Let me close the window. Okay. So they're just spreading all over my body. So yeah, and they get itchy at times, especially after bathing. So yeah, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to the doctor. I don't have classes today. Tuesday is my only free day, and then yeah, from Wednesday to Friday I have classes. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to vlog there when I get to the doctor. So I'll catch you guys, I don't know when, but I thought I should update you guys on that, you know. So y'all, this weather is so gloomy, and now the sun is out. Like weather, like, yo. But the wind is a bit cold, but immediately when the sun comes out, it just becomes a bit hot. Like right now, Niasha. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch you guys later on. Hi guys. So I just finished going to the doctor, and yeah, I got an injection, and then I got meds. Yeah. So she gave me, oh, my butt hurts. She gave me pills, obviously, and then she gave me this cream, and she mixed another cream for me in this tub. Yeah, so I can use it for my whole body, and then use the small cream on the thingies, and then yeah, but I need to go to Clicks and buy okay, that is too bright. I need to go to Clicks and buy. Oh, guys, my butt hurts. I need to go buy a pure soap because she said I must not use the soaps that I use, like about Dettol and Protex. I must use pure soap for now. So yeah, I need to do my own lashes today. I need to get a glue. Okay, so yeah, let me drive, guys. That's what that lady was saying. People are just weird when you carry a camera or your phone and you're vlogging and you're talking, and it's just like, guys, we live in the 21st century. You need to get used to like such things. But sure, Shem, he wants to wear. What is this Ford Mustang? See, when I tell you that
that's not a supercar. It's a sports car.
Yeah, but still, Joshua, it still falls under cars that are.
Guys, people that know cars will understand. It's like saying a hypercar is exactly same as a supercar. It's not. It's not. It's not, bro. But is it crazy how if you sit in front of a screen and just play games, you would get money?
Yeah, but it's not crazy because we live in the 21st century. Basically everything, let me not say everything, but most things revolve around technology. So I don't find it crazy how people sit in front of a screen, play games and make content via YouTube and make money. I don't think it's crazy.
Yeah, but other people are working so hard just for.
Yeah, Pella, some people are not like see like Papa. He's not like technology driven, especially like older people, like people who are born in the 80s, 70s, 60s. They're not really, used to this technology era. Unlike you, yeah, some are, but most aren't. Unlike you who were born in 2012, you are born in this technology era. That's why it's easy for you to just like type on a keypad or whatever without looking,
You mean edits in Fortnite without
Yeah,
looking?
whatever. Yeah, but still, you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying, though. So, yeah, we can't expect people who are not really, Plus, when I at school, we get in primary, we get classes we get computer labs, and even in high school, unless you go to a school that's like underdeveloped. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you when I'm on campus. I only have one class. Imagine.
That's useless.
My
to go
class
to
is-
campus if you have one class.
Ah, dude, there's no such thing as useless, Baba. When you miss work, lectures don't have time to go back. Unless that lecturer is a sweet person, but some lectures are just. Yeah. So I have an 8 o'clock class. Surely it's supposed to end at 10. So it's a 2-hour class. So right now it's 18 minutes past 7, and I'm literally by his school right now, and then I'm gonna go on the freeway, get to campus, go to my class, and then I'm just gonna head to the library and do the work that I need to do before.
We must enjoy this while it lasts. Because soon it'll be packed. Man, I like these lips because of the
space, all the drama.
and the drama.
So me, I get that drama.
You're mine for sure.